Hi, Alex. I am Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I am Alex. Let's talk about computer.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast where we talk about interesting topics to help you learn English. Today, we're going to discuss computers. Whether you use a computer every day or are just starting, this podcast is for you. We'll cover basic questions and provide simple answers to help you understand more about computers. Remember to listen carefully and repeat the words to improve your English. Let's get started.
What is a computer, Sarah?
A computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks according to instructions. It can store, retrieve, and manipulate information. Computers help us with many things like writing documents, browsing the internet, and playing games. They have become an essential part of our daily lives because they make tasks easier and faster.
That is nice, Sarah. How does a computer work?
Alex, a computer works by following instructions given by a program or software. It processes data using its central processing unit CPU. The CPU performs calculations and makes decisions. The computer's memory stores data temporarily while the hard drive stores it permanently. Input devices like a keyboard and mouse allow us to give commands, while output devices like a monitor and printer show us the results. Alex, can you tell me what are the main parts of a computer?
Of course, Sarah. The main parts of a computer are the CPU, memory RAM, storage hard drive or SSD, and input and output devices. The CPU is like the brain of the computer, making all the decisions. Memory RAM is where the computer stores information it is currently working on. Storage is where all your files and programs are kept. Input devices, like a keyboard and mouse, let you interact with the computer, and output devices, like a monitor and speakers, show or play the results.
What is the difference between hardware and software?
Sarah, hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the CPU, memory, hard drive, and keyboard. These are things you can touch and see. Software, on the other hand, is a set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. Examples of software include operating systems like Windows or Mac OS and applications like Microsoft Word or Google Chrome. Hardware and software work together to make a computer function. Sarah, how do you turn on a computer?
Alex, to turn on a computer, you usually press the power button, which is often located on the front or side of the computer or monitor. After pressing the power button, you may need to wait a few moments for the computer to start up. Once it's on, you might see a login screen where you enter your username and password. After logging in, you can start using the computer. Engineer Alex, what is an operating system?
Sarah, an operating system OS is software that manages all the hardware and software on a computer. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware. The OS controls the execution of all kinds of programs, from the system software that operates the hardware to application software that performs user tasks. Common operating systems include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Sarah, what is the Internet? Can you tell me?
Engineer Alex, the Internet is a global network of computers that are connected to each other. It allows people to share information and communicate with each other from anywhere in the world. You can use the Internet to browse websites, send emails, watch videos, and more. The Internet has become an important tool for learning, working, and staying connected with friends and family. Alex, how do you connect to the Internet?
To connect to the Internet, you need an Internet service provider, ISP, and a device like a computer, smartphone, or tablet. You can connect through a wired connection using an Ethernet cable or wirelessly using Wi-Fi. On your device, you select the network you want to connect to and enter the password if required. Once connected, you can open a web browser to start using the Internet. Sarah, what is a web browser?
A web browser is a software application that allows you to access and view websites on the internet. Examples of web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. When you type a website address or URL into the browser's address bar, the browser retrieves the website's content and displays it on your screen. Web browsers also allow you to bookmark your favorite websites and use extensions to add extra features. Engineer Alex, what is a website?
A website is a collection of web pages that are linked together and share a common domain name. Websites can contain text, images, videos, and other multimedia content. They are accessed through web browsers by typing the website's address or URL. Websites can serve many purposes, such as providing information, selling products, or offering services. Some popular websites include Google, YouTube, and Facebook. What is email, Sarah?
Email, or electronic mail, is a way of sending messages and files over the internet. Each email user has a unique email address. To send an email, you compose a message, enter the recipient's email address, and click Send. The email is delivered to the recipient's inbox within seconds. Email is a fast and efficient way to communicate with people all over the world. Alex, how do you send an email?
Sarah, to send an email, you need an email account from a provider like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. Open your email application or web browser, compose a new message by clicking on the Compose button. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line, write your message in the body, and click Send. You can also attach files like documents or photos to your email before sending. What is a computer virus, Sarah?
A computer virus is a type of malicious software designed to harm or disrupt a computer system. Viruses can spread from one computer to another through infected files, emails, or websites. They can cause damage by deleting files, stealing personal information, or making the computer run slowly. To protect against viruses, it's important to use antivirus software and avoid opening suspicious emails or downloading unknown files. Engineer Alex, how do you protect your computer from viruses?
To protect your computer from viruses, install reputable antivirus software and keep it updated. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from unknown sources. Be cautious with email attachments, especially from unknown senders. Keep your operating system and all software up to date with the latest security patches. Regularly back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Sarah, what is software?
Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. There are two main types of software: system software and application software. System software, like the operating system, manages the hardware and software resources of the computer. Application software, like word processors and games, allows users to perform specific tasks. Software is essential for making a computer useful and functional. Engineer Alex, what are some common types of software applications?
Common types of software applications include word processors, spreadsheets, web browsers, email clients, media players, and graphic design programs. Word processors, like Microsoft Word, are used for creating documents. Spreadsheets, like Excel, help organize and analyze data. Web browsers, like Chrome, access the internet. Email clients, like Outlook, manage emails. Media players, like VLC, play audio and video files. Graphic design programs, like Photoshop, are used for creating and editing images. Sarah, what is a file?
A file is a collection of data stored on a computer. Files can contain text, images, videos, or other types of information. Each file has a name and an extension that indicates its type, such as .doc for documents or .jpg for images. Files are stored on a computer's hard drive or other storage devices. You can organize files into folders to keep them organized and easy to find. Alex, how do you create a new file?
To create a new file, open the application you want to use, such as a word processor or image editor. Click on File in the menu, then select New to create a new document, spreadsheet, or image. Once you have finished working on your file, save it by clicking File and then Save or Save As. Choose a location on your computer to save the file and give it a name. Sarah, what is a folder?
A folder is a way to organize files on your computer. Think of a folder like a physical folder in a filing cabinet. You can store multiple files inside a folder to keep them together. Folders can also contain other folders, which are called subfolders. This helps you organize your files in a logical way, making it easier to find what you need. For example, you might have a folder called Photos with subfolders for each year or event. Alex, how do you create a new folder?
Sarah, to create a new folder, navigate to the location where you want the folder to be. Right-click in the empty space, select New, and then click Folder. A new folder will appear, and you can type a name for it. Press Enter to save the name. You can then start adding files to this folder by dragging and dropping them or by saving new files directly into it. Sarah, what is a backup?
A backup is a copy of your important files and data stored in a different location. Backups protect you from data loss due to computer crash, viruses, or accidental deletion. You can create backups on external hard drives, USB drives, or cloud storage services.
Thanks for watching the video. For more podcasts, subscribe, like, and comment to our channel.